Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to change username on Instagram. It's a very easy tutorial, but all you have to do first or check first if you're using the latest version of your Instagram, or let's just say your Instagram is up to date. So you just have to launch your Instagram application. Let me tap this one first. Now go to your profile once you're here. So when you tap your profile, probably you can see your name and here above your profile picture, that is your username. And in order to change that or even your name, you just have to tap that edit profile. Okay, so see, there is name here and username. So you can just simply add a name, your name, okay, or you can just simply change your name if you have your name already and tap your username and change your username. Let's just say I wanted to change my username to Tiger Woman, something like that. So it's easy to know if it's available or not because, Instagram will tell you if it's not available. So I just have to change it to something unique. And as you can see here, there is a note saying you'll be able to change your username back to the scientist 1015 for another 14 days. So you must be careful when it comes to changing your username. So that's how easy it is to change your username on Instagram. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.